Hello everyone, so today I am going to do a flip through on these Happy Planner stickers. I absolutely love the Happy Planner. I do all of my planning through them because I have ADHD and it's super customizable. I'm not stuck with any one thing because my mind changes a lot. So, and then I like to do decorative journaling and planning. So these are the stickers that actually came in the mail today. So I want to be able to do a quick flip through with you guys because I know for me, I like to see what's on the inside before I actually order them. All right. Cool. So we've got boxes and circles. And I love how it does it in all the different colors. See, are you noticing the different color phases that it has here? Loving it. Absolutely love it. Okay. Oh, these are cute. Progress, not perfection. Do what makes you happy. Today looks bright. Choose kind over cool. Love these moments. It's okay to slow down. And these all say appointment today at. These say meeting today at. More appointment stickers. Oh, nice. These are birthday, celebrate. Okay. We've got some date night in here. Important, the plan, errands. Oh, I like these. These are neat. We've got some boxes. Very nice. And these are on paper. All the stickers have been on clear. Now they are on paper. And now we've got some more back on some clear. I like these. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to shake the camera there. Awesome. Hello today. Loving this. Listed out. It's got more flowers. Okay. Nice. Awesome. All right. So that is that whole book. This is the back of it. And this is the front. This is the Poppy Piping sticker book from the Happy Planner. Hope you enjoyed.